Here's how to insert an image over the cells. We have cells, and inside of the cells we may have data, but we want to put an image on top of all of the cells. We're going to go to the Insert menu, Image, and select Insert Image over Cells. One of the reasons to do this is so we have something like maybe a banner or even some kind of drawing that goes over the cells. We can browse or drag a file here. Let's bring this cup inside. Now that I have the image, you can see that it's over the cells because I can click and I can drag it, and I can also make it smaller or bigger. The really cool thing about images is that I can click this 3 dots up here. I can either replace the image right away, delete it. I can assign a script, and this is how we make buttons, and this is how we do automations inside your sheet. Click this button, which is an image, and it would do something. Check out my other courses and other videos here on YouTube. I have a course called Master Spreadsheet Automation that goes into this, but I have some cool videos here on YouTube for free if you want to go look at automations and clicking a button. Very cool. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.